Welcome to the lecture on Engineering Statistics and Linear Algebra. In this lecture, I am going to discuss briefly about autocorrelation functions. So first we will see what is meant by autocorrelation function. We can denote this one as ACF. So it is defined as the expectation of the product of two random variables which are obtained by observing random processes at different times. Say for example, I am taking time intervals t1 and t2. I am going to find the expectation of product of that time intervals t1 and t2. So those kind of expectation will be called as an autocorrelation function. It is denoted by Rx of t1 comma t2 and is defined by Rx of t1 comma t2 is equal to expectation of x of t1 x of t2, and it is further defined by integration minus infinity to plus infinity, integration minus infinity to plus infinity, x1 comma x2 fx of t1 x of t2 as a function of x1 comma x2 dx1 dx2. So here that the PDF fx of t1 x of t2 as a function of x1 comma x2 is second order PDF. So it depends only on the time interval, that is on the time interval tau is equal to t2 minus t1. So now the autocorrelation Rx of t1 comma t2 will be equal to Rx of tau. This was defined by Rx of t2 minus t1. So now in terms of shift tau, the autocorrelation function will be defined like Rx of tau is equal to expectation of x of t plus tau. Now at tau t is equal to 0, I'll be getting Rx of 0 is equal to what? Expectation of x of t. It will be equal to expectation of x square t. So therefore I can write like the autocorrelation of 0 time interval will be equal to the variance of x of t plus mu square of x of t. So now we can say that the Rx of 0 is the average power of the random processes. Suppose if I replace the time shift tau is equal to minus tau, I'll be getting the autocorrelation of minus tau will be equal to expectation of x of t minus tau. Suppose if I replace t dash is equal to t minus tau, I'll be getting the autocorrelation of minus tau will be equal to expectation of x of t dash plus tau x of t dash. Since this is obtained by from this equation, I can replace t is equal to t dash plus tau here. So therefore, the autocorrelation of minus tau will be equal to expectation of x of t dash plus tau. It will be further will be equal to Rx of minus tau will be equal to Rx of tau. I can write it. Properties of autocorrelation. So we know that by the definition of autocorrelation function, we have Rx of tau is equal to expectation of x of t into x of t plus tau. So from this definition, I am going to define few properties related to the autocorrelation function. The first property, mean square value. So it is nothing but Rx of 0. So if I put, already I told that if I replace tau is equal to 0 in the autocorrelation function, I'll be getting Rx of 0 is equal to expectation of x of t plus 0. I'll be getting expectation of x of t. It will be further will be equal to Rx of 0 is equal to expectation of x square of t. Therefore, the mean square value will be given by Rx of 0 is equal to expectation of x square t. Second one, so this autocorrelation function will be symmetry. So in the previous one, as I proved that, so the autocorrelation function of tau will be, the time shift tau will be equal to Rx of minus tau. So this is nothing but the property of symmetry. The proof already I told that if I replace the time shift tau is equal to minus tau, I'll be getting the value of Rx of minus tau is equal to Rx of plus tau only. So next third one, maximum value. The autocorrelation function has maximum value of tau is equal to 0. That is, the modulus of Rx of tau will less than or equal to the mean value of the Rx of 0 for all tau. So proof, consider x of tau and x of t plus tau. So then x of tau plus or minus x of t plus tau whole square will be greater than or equal to the 0. So since it is squared there, so that is x of t plus or minus x of t plus tau will be greater, over square will be greater than or equal to 0. So now on expanding that square, I'll be getting what? X square of t plus or minus 2 times of x of t plus tau plus x square t plus tau must be greater than or equal to 0, or plus or minus 2x of t into x of t plus tau will be less than or equal to x square of tau plus x square of t plus tau. So applying the expectation on both the sides, I'll be getting what? Expectation of plus or minus 2 x of t plus tau will be less than or equal to expectation of x square t plus x square of t plus tau. So from the properties of expectation, we can expand this equation. So taking the constant outside, minus plus 2 expectation of x of t into x of t plus tau will be less than or equal to expectation of x square t plus expectation of x square of t plus tau. So, and also we have the expectation of x square t will be equal to rx of 0, expectation of x square t plus tau also rx of 0, expectation of x of t plus tau is given by rx of tau. If I replace all the values in the previous equation, I'll be getting plus or minus 2 rx of tau is less than or equal to rx of 0 plus rx of 0, or 2 times of modulus of rx of tau will be less than or equal to 2 times of rx of 0. 2 gets cancelled, so I'll be getting the maximum value of ACF is rx 0, that is modulus of rx of z is less than or equal to rx of 0. We'll get it. Fourth property, if expectation of x of t is not equal to 0 and x of t is ergodic with no periodic components, then the limit modulus of the time shift tau tends to infinity, rx of tau will be equal to expectation of t square. Property number 5, if x of t has periodic component, then rx of tau will also have periodic component with the same period. Property number 6, if x of t is ergodic with 0 mean and no periodic components, then limit modulus of the time shift tau tends to infinity, rx of tau will be equal to 0 here. Property number 7, rx of tau cannot have arbitrary shape, that is it has well defined here. Property number 8, if a random process x of t is periodic with period capital T, then in wide sense stationary case, autocorrelation function is also periodic with period t. So it is given like, so let me consider that x of t is equal to x of t plus tau from the concept of WSS. So now r of x of tau will be equal to what? Expectation of x of t expectation into x of t plus tau. Therefore rx of tau plus t, I'm going to add a period capital T for the above equation. So I'll be getting what? Rx of tau plus t is equal to expectation of x of t into expectation of into x of t plus tau plus t. So it will be equal to what? Expectation of x of t into x of t plus tau. Since the value of x of t plus tau is equal to x of t, I can rewrite like this. So I'll be getting what now? Expectation of x of t into x of t plus tau will be equal to rx of tau. I got it. So since after the periodic property applying also, I'm getting the autocorrelation function is periodic here. That is rx of tau plus t will be equal to rx of tau only I'm getting. Thank you.